Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pad Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and here scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Backup and Reset. At the bottom, select Reset Device, erase all data. Now there's a bit of a difference. If you have a screen lock, which most people do, you will have to confirm that screen lock somewhere throughout pressing the factory reset. So it could have been that it should have showed up right now, maybe before you have this option, or it could be under this click. I'm not necessarily sure. Now, as you can see, it gives you a quick message that permanently clears all data. All data will be permanently cleared. This operation cannot be undone. So just be aware of that. You can back up your device, obviously, to your computer, for instance, or to the cloud. I always highly recommend doing that to your computer, as your personal data is best safely stored on your personal computer, instead of giving access to corporations that want you to back it up to their cloud. But that's just my personal preference. Anyway, I'm going to select clear right here, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this will probably take about 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.